asking the Brand Buzz team what 3 things they love about their moms.
3 things I love about my mom. Number 1, grabe, sobrang yung hospitality niya. Talagang lahat ng tao, pag dumating sa bahay, she will entertain them. As in, chikahin niya to the point na, oh my God, yung supposedly 30 minutes visit mo, you will end up staying in our house for 2 hours. And papakainin ka pa sobra. Second, my mom is very understanding on people. Walang masamang tinapay sa kanya. Kahit gaano kasama ng tao, she will always find the reason to believe the goodness on that person. And third, sobrang ma-PR. Actually, sa kanya ako nagmana siguro a little bit of my PR skills kasi talagang grabe. Pati mga customers ng Balay, tuwang-tuwa sa kanya. Kasama siya sa mga reasons for top reviews. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy!
My nanay is generous, hardworking, and cool.
Generous, wise, and supportive.
Unwavering support, her being selfless and genuine kindness.
Unique, selfless, and resilient.
Courageous, strong, and fashionable.
So, the 3 things I appreciate about my mom is number 1, maalagain siya, sobra. Maalagain siya sa amin, my sibling, my father, the whole family. Todo asikaso all the time. Number 2, she's fair. And maasahan ng lahat ng tao. Our families, our friends, buong barangay. But number 3 also, I appreciate about her is mayaman siya. Mayaman sa pagmamahal. Kami naman lahat. Love you, Ma!
Happy